Hey guys, we're going to take a look at our math for day 27. It looks like you have a little bit of a simple day today, which is really nice because you deserve it. So if you take a look, it's just talking, your first page here is all about place value. All right, we know place value really, really well. Sorry for all the dogs barking. Boys, stop. They're crazy dogs. So we've been talking a whole lot about place value. You know place value really well, so this shouldn't be much of a problem for you. But just a quick review, because you're only going to the thousands place today. So we know that we start with the ones all the way on the right. Then we have the tens, then the hundreds, then the thousands. All right, so it's set up right like this. So you're looking at the digit that is underlined in each one of the numbers. So if you want to go ahead and write, if you want to write this out on a blank piece of paper, you can, and then write every number underneath it that you're going to talk about, and then you can see which place value it lines up with, if that's easier for you. So you could do like 4,751. Your 7's underlined, 561, your 6 is underlined. All right, so something like that. So it'll just tell you what place value you have really quick, if that's something you want to do. Remember, when it says the greatest value, if you look down at I and J, it says what number has the greatest value. It's not talking about what is the highest number, all right? 8 is the highest number, but that's only 8 ones. All right, so think about that. You have 8 ones, 5 tens, 2 hundreds, and 1,000. Which one of those is the most? All right, so which one of those has the greatest value? And in this case, it's the 1,000. 1,000 is the largest number. So don't look at just the digit. Make sure you're looking at the value of the number. All right? Oh, they're crazy. They're fine. So you're going to do the same thing on both sides. This side just has you going to 100, so it should be really easy for you to do. And you can do the same sort of setup like this if you want to. I had a paper towel. Nothing? If you want to, so it's a similar setup to this one right here. Nothing, I had a paper towel. I don't know what I did with it. Thanks. Featuring Daniel. And then if you look at same sort of review page that you've been doing for the last 7 days. So this should be pretty easy for you to do. Make sure you're looking, make sure you're reading the questions, thinking about what it's asking you. All right, make sure you understand what it's asking you. And then just go through and give those answers. Expanded form is written out form. So expanded form is like, how would you make 78? You would make it with 7 tens and 8 ones. All right, so you're going to write out every number like that. Kind of like what we do over here. This is expanded form. You're going to, but you're talking more about the value. And then on the other side, you have a graph like we've been looking at. So make sure you read about the value of each one of those. How long is this pencil? 8 inches, 8 feet, or 80 inches? Think about those values. All right, it should stick right out to you, but make sure you understand what inches and feet are. Feet are larger than inches. All right, an inch is only about this big. All right, a foot is about this big. So think about that. How big is the pencil? All right, then you have some subtraction and addition problems, and I, of course, will post the answer key to this on Dojo. Sorry about Steve. All right, so the answer key will be posted for that. If you go and look at your application problem for today, it is all about time. All right, a skill we still kind of struggle with, a skill we're still working on, definitely something we need to focus on. It says the school ballet recital begins at 12:17 p.m. and ends at 12:45. How many minutes long is the ballet recital? All right, so you're talking about elapsed time here. How much time passed between 12:17, all right, that would be about 12:17, and 12:45, all right? 12:45 is almost 1 o'clock, so I put the hour hand closer to the 1. All right, so how much time passes between 12:17 and 12:45? You're staying in the same hour, so all you're trying to do is figure out the number of minutes that happens between 17 and 45. All right, there is an operation that hopefully is going off in your head that you can use to solve this. And that will be the application or the operation that you want to use to solve that problem. If you have any questions about it, again, let me know. See you all tomorrow.